Hello everyone, welcome back to Netcode-Hub channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how to design an image gallery using ASP.NET Core. So as you can see from the screen, we have a list of images here, and now with these images we are not using SQL database to store the images, and we are not also creating a folder to upload the images. What you're doing here is we are just linking the image URL in an JSON file, and that serves as our database. So that is what you're going to be using. So you can see we have 6 images here, and now we have this light effect as opacity. You can see from here we have that's a bootstrap, and here is a design. So you can see the text here. So it's also a design that we're going to actually also apply. Now aside from that, as soon as I click on the image, let's what's going to happen. As soon as I click on it, you can see I have a modal popped up, and I have the image name on top, I have the image description, and I have the image here. If I want to close this, click anywhere and it is off. So anyone that you click, you're going to have the image name on top, the description here, and that is the image itself. This is a simple project that we're going to talk about, and by the end of this video tutorials, you're going to know how to create this using ASP.NET Core. So I believe you're going to move on. You're going to do this video in bits, okay? So small short videos, so we can actually follow along aside whilst we move on. So it's going to be interesting in this project. All right, so let's start by creating our first project in the next video.